Hi everyone, my name is Shivangi. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, maybe think about subscribing. I make videos on music and spirituality. Sometimes I talk about what I'm dealing with in my life. Sometimes I just rant. So welcome, and if you're new here, I just wanted to give a little heads up that you are safe here, you are supported, you are loved, and this will be a good as community, like if I ever build one. Because let me tell you one thing, I've been part of some YouTubers like fans community, and they are the best, and really I want to be one of those communities, like, you know, lo-fi communities where you go into the comment section and you're like, wow, I relate to this person, wow, I relate to that person, I love all these people in the comment section. That's what I'm trying to build here. So hopefully I'll start posting more, and hopefully YouTube will recommend my videos to people. Please YouTube, if you're watching this, do that. But does YouTube watch videos? I don't know. Anyways, these are my fake glasses. You can literally put a finger through them. Put them on when I want to feel like, yeah, I need to make a video, like, you know, talk about something important. I should also call them my productivity glasses, because when I'm writing an article and I do not have anything, like any motivation, I just put these glasses on and I finish the article in 1 hour maximum. Anyways, how to do what you love to do. I love making music. I do not like the process of producing it, but I love writing songs. I love putting my feelings into words. I love picking up my guitar and literally just strumming something. I love playing piano on my keyboard, like literal keyboard of my laptop, because I do not have a piano. My mom is like, why don't you just play a song for us first on your guitar, then we'll get you a ukulele or a piano. And I'm like, haha, I'm an introvert, I'm too shy to play a song in front of you. Like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I'll just save some money and actually get one by myself. Getting back on how to do what you love to do, it's very hard, to be honest. We all have a creative side. I'm pretty sure that we all do. Sometimes it's just our dark humor. Our dark humor is our creative side. Sometimes you can just guess that how's the movie gonna end. Not rom-coms. Rom-coms, anyone can guess how it's gonna end. But sometimes you just can cook anything without having to look at the recipe, or with having to look at it just once. Sometimes creativity is drawing something so beautiful out of your imagination. Sometimes creativity is laying down and daydreaming about how your life is gonna be. But we are talking about how to actually do, how to actually pursue your creativity here. I have had a creative mind. I'm gonna accept it now. But it's hard for me to pursue it, because for most of the time I thought that I do not deserve my creativity, or it's not actually a creative part of me. Because of the people in the past, I wasn't a very confident person until I started writing my songs. And once I started writing my songs, I became more confident. Then I found more artists who wrote their feelings through their songs. Like the first one was Taylor Swift. Then I started listening to BTS recently, like a year ago. I just felt seen. I just felt like, yes, finally, I know that things happen, and like you do not have to compare your creativity with other people. So if you have something, some talent, even the slightest, smallest talent, and if you think that you can do it, just do it. You do not have to be perfect at it. misconception that you have to be great and amazing at your creative side. No, you do not have to be. I mean, you just have to do it for fun. I mean, the best part about being creative is that you are having fun while you are creating something, right? So if you have a movie plot that you want to write, just write it down. If you have to make some video just like me, just make it. If you like to put on some makeup, just do it. Just do it. There is no other way that I should be putting this, but just do it. Nike, if you're watching this, send me some shoes. Just kidding. Just kidding. Unless I mean, pursuing. Okay, going ahead with the creativity is not that easy. I understand that. Even for me, I do not have that space, that personal space that people get around there when they turn 16. My siblings do not have that personal space because I live in a joint family, and somebody or someone will just come up and talk to you or something. And to be honest, I'm going to be 22 in December, and all I can think of is that, you know what, fuck it, I cannot complain about it anymore. I shouldn't be complaining about things anymore. Instead, I should be focusing on creating. So if it's early in the morning or late at night, I will just stay up and create and do something. I try to take out time for myself as much as I can, so I do not have to let my creative side die. It exists. It really exists. On some day there is a block and I'm unable to listen to songs, I'm unable to watch a movie, and on some days I have to be like, what is happening with me? But the thing is, nothing is happening with me. Sometimes it's your surroundings, sometimes you are on your period, sometimes things are low, but it's fine. Give it time. But when you get back up, just do not keep your creativity away. Like, have that job, do whatever you want to do, but do not let your creative side die. I'm telling you, these jobs and everything are important. For some people, they have jobs that they actually enjoy, and that's good. But for me, I do not think that I'd be able to sit in a government office or place and have that fun, even though my mom says that you should get a government job. Not gonna happen. I'm gonna be a YouTuber, mom. Just wait and watch. Anyways, what you can do to be creative is just do it, man. Just, you know, if you have to write something, just take out a piece of paper and a pen and just write it down. Write your feelings down, write whatever you have in your mind down. Just work on it. A lot of time is wasted these days by watching TV shows and all, and I'll be honest, in the last few months I haven't seen a proper show. I just saw Friends while I was eating, and I recently started watching Schitt's Creek, which is good, but I just watch like 2 episodes a day, like 20 minutes, 40 minutes per day. Otherwise, I am watching some YouTuber and getting ideas, creating videos. My hours go into making videos and editing those, and then I'm writing songs or listening to songs. Some days I am writing the article that I'm supposed to write. So yeah, I mean, the only way to do something that you love doing is to just do it. The only way to create something is to just create it. And if you do not have those circumstances, if you do not have those surroundings provided to you, just try to make those. I had to adjust, and for a long time I did not enjoy going to my terrace. I hated it until this year, when I actually started going to my terrace and started noticing the sky, and I was like, how was I missing all this? The sky was right above my head, open, and I was missing that for years of my life. it just opened up because I thought that I want to create a space for myself, and that terrace provided me with that whole space, even though there's a lot of traffic and all. And this space, this is my dad's office. He just started opening the office again, so I thought this is a great place to start, and actually a great place to start, like, keep going. So until and unless I am here and I have this space provided to me, I have my resources with me, I think I'm going to create. As a creative person, I just know one thing, that I want to keep creating for the rest of my life. I will want to always make something, because you know, that is where I actually find myself. That is where I truly feel the happiest. So if you feel happy while you're creating something, while you're having fun, and you feel like literally happy from inside, you feel peaceful, and you want to keep doing it for the rest of your life, just give it time. Give your hobbies time. Give your creative side a lot of time. Not everyone is gifted with those. Some people actually do not have their hobbies. Some people do not have dreams, and they actually feel bad about it, which they shouldn't. Because to be honest, there is a downside of having the creative side, which is that not everyone achieves the recognition. Not everyone achieves everything they think they should be achieving. So yes, pros and cons and everything, but the only way to do what you want, what you love to do, is to do it, is to have faith in yourself and do it. And okay, I'll see you all guys later, because it's literally evening now, and I'll see you all later. Okay, bye.